Welcome to Crochetwoventales. In today's tutorial, we'll make a basic granny square bag with leather handles and fabric lining. This bag is beginner-friendly, elegant, and a trendy crochet project you can enjoy making at home. This bag uses the basic granny square, number 6, from our granny square series, and you can check all links and references in the description box below. We start by preparing 2 big basic granny squares, following the steps in the series. These will form the front and back of the bag. Check the full tutorial link in the description for step-by-step guidance. Next, we make the 2 sides and the base of the bag. Create 3 panels exactly the same by chaining the required number of stitches to match the height of the granny square. Add 2 extra chains, then make half double crochet in the 3rd chain, followed by half double crochet in each stitch across. Chain 1, flip your work, and make half double crochet in every stitch of the next line. Always flip your work away from you, not towards you, as this creates cleaner edges. Repeat this line 6 more times to complete each panel. Once the 3 panels are ready, we can assemble the bag. Start by joining the base to one of the squares using a tapestry needle. Begin at the corner, inserting the needle under the inner loop of each 2 opposing stitches, and repeat until the end. Then join the other 2 side panels in the same way, and finally attach the other square to the base. Now we'll add the lining. Place the lining on top of the bag and secure it with sewing clips. Sew the lining to the bag and stitch the sides together neatly. This ensures the bag is durable and professional looking. I used leather handles that were sewn professionally. If you're skilled, you can make your own handles at home, but my handles required a professional to achieve the perfect finish. And here is our finished basic granny square bag. It's very easy, beginner-friendly, elegant, and trendy. I encourage you to try making it yourself. If you have any questions or need help, leave me a comment, and I'll be happy to guide you. Don't forget to subscribe to Crochet Woven Tales and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial from our Granny Square series. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more beautiful crochet projects with you soon.